Hi there, Bright Beans. Are you ready for an adventure? Today, we're going on a safari to guess which wild animals make each sound. Let's go exploring. What animal makes this sound? It's a lion. Lions roar to show they're the kings of the jungle. What animal makes this sound? It's an elephant. Elephants trumpet with their trunks. They're super smart and gentle. What animal makes this sound? It's a monkey. Monkeys chatter and swing through the trees. What animal makes this sound? It's a zebra. Zebras bark and bray, just like wild striped horses. What animal makes this sound? It's a cheetah. Cheetahs chirp and purr, and they run faster than any animal on land. What animal makes this sound? It's a hyena. Hyenas make laughing sounds, but they're not really laughing. What animal makes this sound? It's a hippo. Hippos make deep grunts and love to splash in the water. What animal makes this sound? It's a rhino. Rhinos snort and huff, and they have big horns on their nose. What animal makes this sound? It's a flamingo. Flamingos honk and love standing on one leg. What animal makes this sound? It's a meerkat. Meerkats squeak to talk to their group. They always stand up and look around. You did an amazing job today, Explorer. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more guessing games, fun songs, and learning adventures. See you next time, Bright Beans. Bye-bye.